Welcome to wonderful Wedgwood, a neighborhood packed with tree-lined streets, unique mid-century homes, and well-established small restaurants, cafes, and coffee shops. Follow me down this picturesque street to get an intimate view of one of Wedgwood's unique mid-century homes. I'm Kim Colapreti with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain in Seattle, Washington. Let's explore this wonderful home and some of its fabulous features. Having a gracious living room is a huge plus for most homeowners, especially one with space for couch cuddling, game playing, TV watching, and a fireplace to warm your bones as winter is soon approaching. Who wouldn't love to get a blazing fire going and warm up some cocoa to watch the first snowflakes begin to fall? Or spread out on the couch for some rainy day TV watching. Maybe set up the card table for a rousing game of Dominos. Regardless of how you choose to spend your time, there is plenty of space to enjoy it in this grand living room. And when it's not hot cocoa and blazing fire time, you have direct access to the spacious deck and woodland backyard. This diva loves a really good barbecue, and this deck is perfect for all kinds of parties and gatherings. Summer has yet to give up its last bit of warm, sunny days, so you can move right into this Wedgwood home, gather your vaccinated posse, and light up the Weber. And if you're not quite ready for social gatherings, this deck is still a lovely spot for relaxing with your morning coffee, having al fresco dinners, or happy hour with a glass of rosé. Enjoy the last moments of beautiful weather to spend as much time outside as possible on this amazing deck. And when you're ready to spread your wings and need a little more space for your outdoor fun times, there's a whole woodland paradise yard ready and waiting. This backyard might not have much in the landscape category, but it does offer huge possibilities and a boatload of privacy. I love the peaceful woodland feel of this yard. Its tall trees offer a great spot for a treehouse or a tire swing, which this house happens to have. Talk about hours of fun for everyone in your household. There is space aplenty to throw around the frisbee or the ball with your furry friends. Craft an amazing woodland wonderland for you and your household to enjoy every day. Add a shed for storage or a studio space to escape for some personal time. However you choose to use this space, you will have your own Pacific Northwest sanctuary. Close your eyes and envision a fabulous owner suite with a huge walk-in closet, an ensuite bathroom, and space for a king bed. Now open your eyes and voila, here you are. This owner suite has all of that and more. The vaulted ceilings give this suite an incredible open and airy feel. There is also a small entry office space that is separate enough from the bedroom so one of you can be clacking away on the computer while your partner is deep in slumber. And as if that wasn't enough, there's also direct access to the secluded backyard with a small covered patio just for you and your honey. Wedgwood is one of Seattle's best kept secrets. Tucked in the northeast corner of Seattle, Wedgwood offers some of the prettiest wooded lots you can find in the city, an array of unique modern homes just like this one, and a bevy of cool local finds. Shoot just a few blocks east to 35th Avenue Northeast and drop into Grand Central Bakery, a Seattle staple for yummy bread, baked goods, and fabulous sandwiches. Jet a few blocks south and you'll find another Seattle icon, Top Pot Donuts. Their classic glazed old fashions are the best. Looking for more than sweets? Pop up north and stop into either Wedgwood Broiler for a steak and a martini, or for a more casual adult time, you can grab a beer and some pizza at the Fiddler's Inn. There are cool local places to hang out all up and down this main drag. Beyond the local fair, Wedgwood is literally a stone's throw to Matthews Beach, the Burke-Gilman Trail, and Magnuson Park, so you can get your inner sporty spice out whenever you feel the urge, or just go enjoy the great outdoors. We hope you have enjoyed our tour of this mid-century modern home located in the wonderful neighborhood of Wedgwood. Please be sure to like and subscribe to us on the YouTubes and to follow myself and Team Diva on the Instagrams and Facebook. I'm Kim Colapreti with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain saying ciao for now.